Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm going to be building a pair of wall-mounted shoe racks from pallet wood, which is of course what I always do if you follow my channel. Everything comes from pallet wood. And also, if you follow my channel, you'll have seen many times the process of breaking apart the pallet, putting it through the planer, getting to decent wood, which is the phase I've already got to. I don't film it every time because it's pretty boring, it's pretty well the same. But I will insert a quick montage now in case this is the first time you've seen one of my videos. Having discussed with the client exactly what they wanted, worked out how long it was going to take, agreed a price, I then built myself a very small prototype. Basically the idea is the shoes go, this attaches to the wall and the shoes go in here, toe down. So having put all my pallets through the planer, got them all cut nice and squared on either end, I think I've pretty well got all the wood I need for this project. And I've got my design, I've got my prototype with the mistakes that I made and lessons that I learnt. So let's make these shoe racks. There you go then, that was the build of a pair of shoe racks, wall-mounted shoe racks. Great fun to do because it was something new that I hadn't done before. A lot of my time is spent making stuff that I've got for sale on my website, so obviously the fact that it's on my website means I've made it before, probably several times, which is good. Helps to bring the money in to buy new blades, etc. But it's always fun to try something new and different, and that they've turned out really well. So they will be going on the website. I hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly enjoyed the build, enjoyed the process, and I haven't, through personal circumstances, I haven't done anything for quite a while now, so it's good to get back into the workshop. And if you've enjoyed the video, please take the time to like it. It makes a big difference to the YouTube algorithm. And also if you've got time to subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. I'm just getting my numbers up slowly, hoping to get to the 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for watching, and in the meantime, stay safe.